Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips channel. If you're a Canon printer owner, you've probably encountered the dreaded error code C000 at some point. Don't worry, I'm here to help you understand what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it quickly. This error is common in 2025 models and can stop your printing dead in its tracks, but with a few simple steps, you can get back up and running in no time. First off, let's break down what error code C000 actually means. In Canon printers, this code typically indicates a problem with the internal waste ink absorber system or a communication error between the printer and your computer. It's often a sign that the printer needs maintenance or a reset to clear temporary glitches. Now, what causes this error? The most common reasons include a full waste ink tank, which happens after repeated cleaning cycles absorb excess ink. Other culprits could be outdated firmware, loose USB connections, or even a stuck paper jam that's not fully resolved. Environmental factors like dust buildup can also play a role, so keeping your printer clean is key. Let's dive into the solutions. Start with the easiest fix: power cycle your printer. Turn it off, unplug it from the power source, wait about a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on. This often clears minor software hiccups. If that doesn't work, check for physical issues. Open the printer's covers carefully and look for any paper jams or obstructions. Remove them gently to avoid damage. Next, ensure your printer drivers are up to date. Head over to the Canon website, download the latest drivers for your model, and install them on your computer. For more stubborn cases, you might need to reset the waste ink counter. This can be done using Canon's maintenance tools or third-party software, but proceed with caution as it might affect your warranty. Always back up your settings first. If you've tried all these steps and the error persists, it's time to contact Canon support or visit a certified technician. They can diagnose any hardware problems you might not be able to fix at home. There you have it. Simple ways to tackle Canon error code C000. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.